Okay, here's the video. Parker's bike race. Let's see, it's starting to rain. This is at school on June 7th or 6th, 2013. Okay, Parker's at the other end. He's got to hurry up. It's starting to rain more. Here come all the kids around. Where's Parker? Oh, he's coming around there. The rain's coming too. Here he comes. This is fun. They have a bike race at school. Oh, there goes boy a big bike. Okay, here comes Parker. Yay! And the preschool director's behind him, cheering him on. Go, Parker! It's starting to rain. Yay! Hi! Hi! They're doing good at this. They're good bike riders here, huh?
Wow, Leon!
There's the director. She's going to do the stop line.
Under there.
Or they would never stop, right? They keep going. No, that's good you have a stop line. You're the stopper. I'm doing a little video here, but it's starting to rain. I don't know where Parker is. He's at the other end down there. He's got to hurry up and turn and come back.
Watch!
I think I see him.
Watch, Mackenzie, watch!
Here he comes.
Liam! Sam!
I think I got to go find him down
Ladies and
there.
gentlemen, neither rain nor snow will stop us. As long as there's no thunder, we're not afraid, right?
You're right.
We can ride in the rain.
Here comes Parker. Yay!
I'm not even going to go through what it says means. Are you ready? Presenting Lace!
Oh, yay!
Presenting Navia! Presenting Sam! Presenting Jason! Presenting Sai! Presenting Liam! Presenting Xavier! Presenting Senna! Presenting Alex, who should be on 2 wheels!
Oh, there he
I
goes.
think he's on 2 wheels already. Presenting Sophia!
I gotta wait your turn, Parker.
Presenting the greatest big wheel rider of the universe, Parker!
Hey, Mr. Batman.
Pilot!
Parker goes racing away there.
Presenting Claire! And the second and the fieriest, presenting Kobe!
Here they all come. Okay, I thought they were going to stop. I thought she was ending it. I guess not. Okay, here they come again. There's Parker again. That was very nice. The preschool director gave you a nice speech. Hi, Parker. Hi. Okay, I think I'm going to have to stop this video. I'm making it too long. Look at them having fun there. Not too bad. The rain's not too bad. Okay, where are they? Oh, they're down there. Okay, I better stop it. This is too long. This was a fun bike race.
Oh, 3 miles.
Alright, bye everyone. Okay, maybe I'll stop it now to take a picture. Parker.